Hi, I'm Andrew, and here we are in our CCTV Security Pro showroom. Today we're going to show you around our digital video recorders. Our DVRs offer all of the latest and greatest technology available. These are professional units. They're better quality than what you're going to find online or in some big box store. All of our recorders, they come with a full 3-year warranty. Live USA technical support is included with each product. Our goal is to help you maximize the value of your security camera system. A lot of our customers, they want to view their cameras remotely over the internet. Now with our recorders, you're going to be able to view your cameras uninterruptedly with no monthly fees on a phone, tablet, laptop, desktop. Our units offer multiple options and they're supported for desktop viewing. In front of me here is our CSP-16PRO-4. This is our most popular recorder. It always has been. And I think that's because it offers a little added flexibility. This recorder is very powerful. It could record at 2 megapixel or 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is the maximum frame rate. It could record up to 4 megapixels at 15 frames per second, very fluid. It could even record 4K Ultra HD at 7 frames per second, so very good. This recorder has 401 auto adapting technology, so if you're using different brands of HD cameras, you're completely covered. It will adapt to any, whether it be CVI or TVI or AHD, really doesn't matter. This unit's also backwards compatible for your older analog cameras. So if you're looking to bridge the gap between the old and the new technology, this recorder's for you. Maybe you want to add HD cameras in your more sensitive areas, like above any entrances or exits. Remember, HD cameras are going to deliver a 3 to 5 times sharper image than the older analog cameras. So wherever you want to add an HD camera, this unit will accommodate that. On the front of the unit, you're going to notice there's a USB port. When we flip the unit around, you're going to notice that there's a second USB port. These ports are used for your USB mouse. You simply just plug it right in for the point and click action. This unit is powered with a cable and a power adapter. Simply plug the cable into the power adapter. This plugs directly into your wall outlet. Nothing new there. This side plugs right into the recorder. There's a rocker switch to power the recorder on and off. This recorder has 16 BNC video inputs, so it could accommodate up to 16 cameras. And you'll also see that it has one audio input, so it could support a microphone. Let's say you have a camera with a built-in microphone or just a regular microphone, you would plug it in right there. We do have some cameras that have built-in audio, whereas the audio can travel over the Coax cable. The one cable can deliver both video and audio, and in that scenario, you could have 16 cameras with audio. Back to the recorder itself, it also has one audio output. So if you wanted to do a little extra cabling, add a speaker, and set up bi-directional talk, you could certainly do that. Another nice thing about this recorder, it has both VGA and HDMI output. So you could connect it to a computer monitor or a flat screen HD display, large flat screen display. So that's great. Here we have a Ethernet port. A lot of our customers like to view their cameras over the internet. And in order to do that, your recorder needs to be plugged into the internet. So you would get an Ethernet cable, plug it in here. The other side goes to your modem or router, and it's that simple. Last, a lot of our recorders have space for one hard drive. This recorder has space for 2 hard drives, so it could accommodate longer storage. So if you're not getting enough storage, if you're only getting 30 days and you decide that you need 60 days, pop the hood off the recorder, connect the new hard drive using the SATA cable, and here you have expanded footage. So if you're looking for a great unit, take a look at the CSP-16PRO-4. It's our most popular recorder.